Hello there, welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your shelf-lagged events happening in and around the city. My name is Afinuna and I'm your special event curator. Now, if you want your event amplified on this platform, do well to reach out to us via WhatsApp number 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. Visit our website, mx24.events, for tickets, information on events happening around you, and everything that you need to know about MX24 Event Guide. Now, today we are talking Ariel's Unplugged 247 Self-Care Day Immersion. You know, World Self-Care Day is 24th of July, and it happens to be a Friday, but Ariel has a lot of things in store for us. So in studio with me is Ariel. Hi, Ariel.
Hi, Afi.
Good to have you back.
Thank you. Good to be back. Good to be back.
We are glad you always pull us or rope us in your events. Thank you for trusting us.
I trust you. I trust you.
Clack it, clack it, clack it. Okay, so Unplugged 247 Self-Care Day Immersion.
Yes.
Please tell us about it. Before the cameras rolled, you were telling me about the webinar, and so the floor is yours.
Okay. So 24th of July, which is in numbers 247, is International or World Self-Care Day. And that day means a lot to me because self-care literally saved my life. And so I have an event coming up on the 25th, being a Saturday, called Unplugged 24/7 Self-Care Immersion Day. A day we're going to immerse ourselves into taking care of ourselves, balancing our mind, body, and spirit in celebration of 24th July, which is International Self-Care Day. Now, self-care is a very crucial concept, but one of the most misunderstood of all concepts I've ever come across. And Wednesday, 22nd of July, we'll have a free webinar to educate people. It's not everybody who may be able to come for the event, so we'll also educate people what self-care is and why self-care matters so much. The title of that webinar is The Self-Care Gap. There's a big misconception out there when it comes to self-care, and I'm trying to close that gap because if you truly understand self-care, you won't even have anybody explain it to you. You would know the meaning of what self-care is. It's a natural thing that we need to know and practice daily in our daily choices every day. And then the Saturday, we're going to be at Peduase Valley Resort, an outdoor event in nature to really immerse our mind, body, spirit, to unplug fully from all the hustle and bustle of the city, all the activities, all the running around, giving ourselves one day to take care of ourselves 24/7 for that day. So we'll leave Accra Saturday morning at 7 a.m. all the way to Peduase Valley Resort and start the program by 8 a.m. So by 5 p.m. we'll be coming back to Accra again, and we want our participants on that day to continue practicing self-care for the whole 24 hours. So if you don't sleep well, that day I want you to sleep early as well to get at least 7 or 8 hours of sleep. At the event, we are going to have conversations, movements, connection with nature. There's a pet zoo. We have a powerful speaking lineup for our participants. And one of the most important one is, as a coach over the years, I've realized self-care is mixed up with a lot of Western practices. But there are a lot of African cultural practices that are very good for well-being. So one of our speakers who has written a book, A Return to Source, the book and all her teaching is about cultural self-care. Araba will be speaking to us at the event to tell us about simple African practices, which we have thrown away, and now the Eastern practices and the Western practices have taken over our lifestyle. And I realize a lot of people don't also align, with their values and our culture with some of the Eastern practices. But there are several things we can do as Africans which supports our self-care practices. So she will take us through that wonderful self-care conversation on how to use African cultural practices to take care of ourselves. And then we have Clarissa will be talking about purpose, Self-care is actually what grounds us in our purpose. I've never seen anybody who is practicing self-care who have not started doing what they actually came here to do. That is the only way you can connect with yourself, know yourself, and trust yourself, and align with your purpose. So Clarissa will be talking to us about how self-care helped her to align with her purpose. She's a tea sommelier. She is a person who is going to bring us some lovely teas that we are going to be drinking during the conversations. And we also have Dr. Na of Nova Wellness Center, who is also going to talk to us about longevity and recovery. Now, it's true, we can't always consistently do some of the things, but how do we recover? What are some of the hacks, biohacks we can use to recover from the stress, the pressure, the challenges? Life is going to happen. It is how you take care of yourself that protects you from the things that are going to happen. So Dr. Na will take us through some of that conversation, and I'll be there to also give a lot of conversation on self-care and how we can practice it intentionally. So the day is going to have a morning meal. We'll have lunch. We'll have movements, some stretching, some aerobics. We'll have some dance session and meditation, of course. We are going to really take care of ourselves and connection. Now you're going to meet, like-minded people who are just looking to feel good and heal and connect with their lives just as you. So it's open for everybody. You can bring your kids if you want to. You can come with your spouse if you want to. But for self-care, for this very event, I know a lot of women are looking forward to it. And so I'm inviting every woman, especially if you've hit your 35 going, but it's open to from 25. But from 35 going, the pressures of life can get so much.
Yeah.
So please, give yourself this space, understand self-care, learn how to use simple practices to always ground yourself so that when you wake up in the morning, it's like, bring it on, I'm ready.
Yeah. I mean, self-care is very important because if you don't take care of yourself, you end up breaking down, you end up destroying yourself one way or another. So this is a great initiative as usual by Ariel. Ariel is known for everything wellness, everything well-being. And it's something I have started to love about her. And I got to know Ariel recently, and I mean, following her, you will realize a lot of things, and your eyes will be open to a lot of things that you trivialize. Now, this Unplugged 247 Self-Care Day is going for 1,150 cedis for an entire day. It includes transport, it includes your meal, it includes the space you're going to be having the event. That is 1,150 cedis. You and I know you spend more than that on a regular in Accra. And the pickup point is at Accra Mall, and the time is exactly 7 a.m. We are moving from Accra Mall at 7 a.m.
Yes, we are moving from Accra Mall at 7 a.m. So from 6:30, you should be jumping on the bus.
Not Ghana man time.
No.
7 a.m. Kim, we have moved. We are not starting the car at 7 a.m. We start the car 7:55. 6:55. 7 a.m. we are moving. Like I said, 1,150 cedis. Guess what? Visit MX24.event and you will definitely get tickets. As usual, MX24.event has all the tickets you can think of. Tickets to all events happening around you. Do visit MX24.event. Now take a look at this video. Have a glimpse into what's going to happen, and I'll see you at your next event.
Join Ariel's Unplugged Self-Care Day Immersion on the 25th of July at Peduase Valley Resort for a day of relaxation, wellness, and self-discovery. Your wellness journey starts here. Book via the short code *365*88*51# or visit our website at mx24.event.
Lights all over, the vibe is high. Got my drink, I'm just.
It's time to unplug.
Of unwinding a day of taking care of yourself. It's happening on the 25th of July 2026 at Peduase Valley. We are moving from Accra Mall at exactly 7 a.m. 1,150 cedis. Pay. Visit mx24.event for your tickets. Now, if you want your event amplified on our platform, do well to visit us at mx24.event or send us a WhatsApp number on 059 059 Visit all our social media handles at MX24 Event Guide and go have some fun on our page. I'll see you at your next event.